Glock 19 Gen 5. Okay, so naka-metal slide siya and then polymer lower frame with underrail na vent for laser or flashlight attachment. With complete markings, threaded outer barrel. So metal din to. Pati sa grip meron na rin siyang markings. So Gen 5 may groove yung ano niya, yung grip. And then magazine capacity is around 22 rounds. Sights, naka U-type sights. Okay, test natin. Makikita nyo to sa budget meal folder natin sa G Drive. So for details, PM lang kayo sa page natin, Mavs Tactical.